Good morning, traders. It's Wednesday. A quick video. I just finished recording this. I'm posting it for those Trade Scalper users who have the software, who are using it and following it. We also just surpassed the 1,000 mark on free member accounts, so congratulations to those of you who are able to get into a free member account. I'm not sure how long we can continue adding free members, but for those of you who are in or want to get in, activate your free member account, start learning and downloading some free software and some goodies we have. Also, remember that trading is risky. Please don't trade with funds you can't afford to lose. Talk to your broker. Understand there are risks involved with trading. So the Trade Scalper software by DayTradeToWin is available, and it uses price action. I'm following these signals to go long, to go short. Remember, I'm not using anything else, just the Trade Scalper software, although you can use a few other methods to help filter out the trades, like the blueprint, the roadmap, the Atlas line. But I'm just going to take this one trade short, 37.75.75. A few things to consider. The risk: we're not going to chase this market. The ATR is 4 points, so I want to take somewhere within 3 and 4 points of a target. I don't want to have a large stop, so I want to keep the stop nice and tight, not much more than what you're seeing there as a 4-point move. And very important, I don't want to let this thing slip away, which means that a previous trade that I took earlier, I missed, or I tried to take, I missed, so I was unable to grab that trade because it slipped away from me. Same thing, I don't want to chase this market. I want to get in within the next couple of minutes into this opportunity to go short at this price, 37.75.75. So it's really important that we kind of follow the rules. Live training is included, and we have recorded trading. As soon as you log in to your member account, you'll see recorded videos to get you going immediately, so you understand how the Trade Scalper or any other method that you may have from DayTradeToWin, how it works. So this opportunity here to get short at 37.75 quarter has a stop, has a target, but it also has a time limit. So I do not want this trade to go sideways and to last forever. Usually most of the signals and the trades that we take, the best ones have an instant or an immediate target. So it's really important to understand that time is not on your side. If this trade gets stopped out immediately, that's the stop. If the trade makes the target immediately, that's what we want. If it goes sideways and lasts forever, forget it, let it go. So really important when you manage the trade. Now, one thing you're going to notice is that the market went down to about 37.72 3 times. So the reason why I have a target there at 37.72.75 is because markets love to test where they've been. They love to test where they've traded. That's my goal here, because the market has tested this price, 37.72, 37.72.75. 3 times. My goal is to see it get back down there to test these lows. You could even consider it a double bottom. If you look back at about 11.05, you can see that this is a support area. So markets love to test, love to be and trade in areas where they've been. I'm not really sure if it's going to continue further down, so that's why the target should always be based on where these areas have been. So this is all taught during the live training. We have a lot of resources available, free resources. If you're a new trader, definitely get locked in to the free member account. You have an opportunity to download software, learn a few methods, ask questions, and so on. DayTradeToWin.com. Join the next accelerated mentorship class, and I'll see you next time. If you're new to day trading and want to learn more on the benefits of trading the markets, visit DayTradeToWin.com. Join the next mentorship class starting later this month, and subscribe to the DayTradeToWin YouTube channel. We focus on price action and work exclusively with new and beginner traders who want to learn more on how to prosper from trading.